Well, a Brazilian judge has declared former far-right President Jair Bolsonaro a flight risk and ordered round-the-clock surveillance. Bolsonaro, who is currently under house arrest, is awaiting a verdict in his coup plotting trial. If convicted, he faces up to 40 years in prison for allegedly attempting to cling to power after losing the 2022 election to Lula da Silva. The verdict is expected early next month. Supreme Court Justice Alexandre de Morales directed police to maintain full-time surveillance, acting on a request from federal prosecutors. Prosecutors highlighted Bolsonaro's alleged plan to seek asylum in Argentina as evidence that he might try to flee rather than face a potentially long prison term. In his draft asylum request, Bolsonaro claimed he was the victim of political persecution there. Bolsonaro is accused of leading a criminal organization that aimed to prevent Lula taking power after he narrowly defeated Bolsonaro in October 2022 elections. The trial has driven a deep wedge between Brazil President Lula and the US President Donald Trump, who has slammed the indictment of his ally Bolsonaro as a witch hunt. On the economic front, the Trump administration has slapped 50% tariffs on dozens of Brazilian imports. Reports say the move came after heavy lobbying by Bolsonaro's son. President Lula has branded Eduardo's, his son's move, as a grave betrayal.
What is happening today in Brazil with the former president's family and the behavior of his son in the United States is possibly one of the greatest betrayals a homeland can suffer from its own children.
Meanwhile, President Lula has revealed that the United States has revoked the visa of Brazil's justice minister. The latest fallout from the coup trial of former President Bolsonaro. The move, still unconfirmed by the US State Department, was announced by Lula during a cabinet meeting. In demonstrations against what he calls US meddling, Lula and his ministers wore caps bearing the slogan, "Brazil belongs to Brazilians."